Although JSON does have some inherent data typing, detailed data typing, data value constraints, data description, etc. is possible with the help of a separate schema file. It is an evolving standard, but it is already seeing good support in many programming languages. The main highlights of JSON schema are as follows. The schema file follows the JSON structure only. It supports things like data type, data value enumeration, providing default value of data, data size restrictions, data description, data required check, URL to pick schema location. JSON schema is an elaborate topic which is currently beyond scope of this course. You are however encouraged to see these links for further information.